Now we are discussing about the question number 2 of our optional exercise. For the question, find a cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time and the product of the zeros are given as 2, minus 7, minus 14. That means sum of all the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is given 2. Sum of the product of the two zeros taken at a time, right, that is given minus 7, and product of all the zeros given minus 14. So first of all we assume otherwise if alpha, beta and gamma are three zeros of cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so now what is the sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is given 2. What is the sum of the product of the two zeros at a time? That is minus 7, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma, that is equal to minus 7. And what is the product of the zeros? Alpha into beta into gamma, that is given to us minus 14. Okay, and now simply take this format that already we derived earlier. The p of x polynomial, that is equal to k x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma into x and minus alpha into beta into gamma. Okay, simply we have to place these values here and we can get our cubic polynomial. It's x cube, so k x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is what, 2, and x square alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma, that value is what, minus 7. So I will place here minus 7 and x, and minus alpha into beta into gamma, that is minus 14. So what simplification will take place? X cube, now I change a bracket, 2x square plus minus minus 7x minus minus plus 14. That's my required polynomial. Understood, Bicho?